Hey, want to cook something easy? Check this out. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Maxy, that educates you in what you need. We're going to continue today with week 5 of our 100 different type of food cooked every week in the air fryer. They could be cooked in the air fryer or they cannot. This is the whole point of the challenge. If you're new to my channel, my name personally is Maxy. The purpose of my channel is to help you make your life much easier and fun. Things you could do at home with the family or making yourself life easier. So let's continue. Today is week 5. We are doing sweet plantain, the air fryer. This is sweet plantain. We're going to cook in the air fryer to see how they come out. Usually the sweet plantain is cooked mainly on the stove. Unless it's already pre-cooked in the bags, already ready, then you just warm it up in the microwave or put it in the oven. Either or. Let's get started. Let's cut the sweet plantain to put in the air fryer. Let's take the skin off. This is a very sweet. It's not over. The sweet plantain is not rotten yet, which is good. Still very sweet. Okay, so let's get it cut in a slice. So we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Yes, I have a large knife. Try not to cut it too thin. Now that you got the sweet plantain cooked, we're gonna spread it. We're gonna put it in the air fryer to see how they get cooked. You put them inside the air fryer. I just throw them there. It's okay. They're gonna get cooked, and that's all right. You can use your hands, because when you cook, you wash your hands, right? Yes, everybody wash their hand with the cooking. You're gonna spread them out. Make sure they all got their own space. Unfortunately, the air fryer you cannot put a lot in it. All right, they're inside. So what I like to do, I like to add a little bit of olive oil. Just spread them on top. Not so much, just a tiny bit. All right, let's put them aside and get them ready to get cooked. All right, we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna do it manually. We're gonna put it at 375, and let's give it 10 minutes to get cooked. So we come back in 10 more minutes. Okay, the 10 minutes are done. Now let's check how they look. Let's see. It's a little hot. Actually cook both sides. With the oil, it's pretty good. If you want to give it more minutes, up to you. If you don't, that's okay too. I finished turning them all around. You can add more oil if you want. Remember the olive oil that you use? It's just a tiny spray. But that's it. And then you put it back to cook if you want to get it more toasted. I might give it 3 more minutes because I don't want it to get burned. The good thing about it, this cook in the air fryer versus the stove is so much better. You have less grease. Let's say you live in one bedroom apartment or in a studio or in a room that you rent in a room. An air fryer, you can make so many things. All right, so let's give it 3 more minutes. Put it back for 3 more minutes. Okay, it's done. Let's check. All right, this is pretty good. So, sweet plantain in the air fryer. Now let's do the testing. I like to eat sweet plantain. It's pretty good. Oh, it's really hot inside. All right, tastes very good. This really worked. I guess it depends how sweet your plantain is or how well done it is. That would taste good. So the experiment is a go. I hope this video made your life cooking a little much bit easier at home. With our busy life, it could be a little stressful, and this will make our life a little easier to cook certain things that we want to snack or eat on the side. Don't forget to leave me a comment on the bottom of this video if you have any suggestion or any other type of food would you like me to try to cook in the air fryer. So don't forget to subscribe, get the notification bell, bing, so you'll see my next video. If you like the video, hit like so you can try it at home. So this has concluded my video. I'll see you next time. Ta-ta. See you next week.